everyone. I'm Anjani Shweta. I'm the founder of Vedic Blitz. I'm a financial analyst by the profession. Due to my passion, I have started doing research on Vedic mathematics, and I'm interested in teaching online Vedic mathematics. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Today, I'm going to teach Ekadhikena Purvena. In Vedic mathematics, Ekadhika means successor, means succeeding number. We have to add +1 to the existing number that becomes Ekadhika of that particular number. So, what do you mean by Ekadhikena Purvena? Purvena means the past. Whatever the number which is there to your left hand side. If I'm taking the number 35 to this particular number, we have to take Ekadhika of 3 will be successor to 3. So Ekadhika will be 4. Okay. Now, if you want to do the square of 35 multiplied by 35. In our normal mathematics, which we have studied in school, 5 multiplied by 5 will be 25. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 gives you 17. Again, we will do cross multiplication with 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we should add these digits. Finally, we'll get the answer. Square of 35 will be 1225. In Vedic mathematics, we have a shortcut technique using Ekadhikena Purvena. We should multiply 3 with its Ekadhika. 3 multiplied by 4 will be 12. This will be your left hand side answer. Whereas your right hand side answer will be 5 multiplied by 5. So 35 square will be combination of your LHS and RHS. That will be 1025. We can get the answer within few seconds. This is the technique of Ekadhikena Purvena, and it is very easy technique. But we should apply this technique only if we have few conditions. I'm going to tell you what are those conditions. If you observe 35 multiplied by 35, left hand side digits will be same. And right hand side digits, sum should be always 10. Then only we can apply Ekadhikena Purvena rule. Now we are going to look after a few examples. If we have the units digit 5, and if we want to do the square of those particular number, always the right hand side sum will be 10. Whereas we should look after only left hand side digits. Anyhow, it is square, the digit will be same. So 15 square will be, we should check the Ekadhika of left hand side digit. Ekadhika of 1 will be 2. Now 1 and 2 multiplication will be 1 multiplied by 2 is 2, and right hand side 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. For 25 square, Ekadhika will be 2. Multiplication of 2 and 3 is 6. And 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 35 square we have seen just now. So I'm writing it directly. For 45 square, Ekadhika for 4 is 5. Multiplication of 4 and 5 is 20. And we should write 25. So 20, 25 is the answer. In a long run practice, you need not keep these lines. We can directly write down the answer. 55 square will be Ekadhika of 5 is 6. 5 6 are 30 and 25. 65 square is Ekadhika of 6 is 7. Multiplication of 6 and 7 is 42. 42, 25 will be the answer. 75 square. Ekadhika of 7 is 8. Multiplication of 7 and 8 is 7 8 is 56. 56, 25 will be your answer. In this way, we can write down the squares to that particular numbers within few seconds. I just want to know if you have any doubts, I can clear it. Please let me know.
Please go ahead.
Okay, thank you. We have seen till 75 square. Now 85 square, 95 square, and 105 square. Can you please try these squares and post your answers in comment box? Okay, very good. Yeah, 85 square will be 8 9s are 72, 72 25. 95 square is 9 10s are 90, 90 25. And 105 square will be 10 multiplied by 11 is 110 25. 115 square is 11 multiplied by 12 is 132 25. In this way, we can do the Ekadhikena Purvena if we have the last digit as 5, and we can do it squares. To learn special multiplication. This is one of the application of Ekadhikena Purvena. The rules of Ekadhikena Purvena is left hand side digits should be same, and right hand side sum should be 10. When you have sum up to 10, that is called Purak. So Purak sets will be, if you have 1, the set of another Purak is 9. 1 plus 9 will be 10. So for 2, it is 8. For 3, it is 7. And for 4, it is 6. For 5, it is 5. Just now we have learned this step, this Purak set. Now we are going to check all the other Purak sets. I'm going in depth of the process in Ekadhikena Purvena. When you have 37 multiplied by 33, RHS, right hand side digits are same, whereas left hand side 7 and 3. 7 and 3 is a Purak set. So we can apply Ekadhikena Purvena rule. Ekadhika of right hand side digit we should take. For 3 it is 4. Multiplication of 3 and 4 is 12. This is your left hand side answer, whereas right hand side answer will be multiplication of right hand side digits. 7 3s are 21. So answer is 1221. In the same way, we can apply for the other Purak sets also. If you have 38 multiplied by 32, when you have 8, we should take 2. The Purak set for 8 is 2. So 3 4s are 12, 8 2s are 16. For 36 multiplied by 34, 12, 6 4s are 24. Now, this is special case again. 31 multiplied by 39. 1 and 9 are Purak set. 3 4s are 12. 1 9s are 9. But 9 can also be written as 0, 9. And here, if you observe, all the digits of right hand side is having 2 digits. So, here we should not input 9. We should write down 0, 9. If you write down only 9, the answer will be wrong. Always remember right hand side digits should be 2. This is one of the application of special multiplication in Ekadhikena Purvena. Now, let us look into few more examples. These are few of the numbers. I'll explain them. So, if you have 88 multiplied by 82, the answer will be 8 9s are 8 9s are 72, and right hand side 8 2s are 60. In the same way, 98 multiplied by 92 gives you 9016. 94 multiplied by 96 gives you 9024. Because Ekadhika of 9 is 10, we should multiply 9 with 10 and write down the answer as left hand side, and right hand side answer will be 4 and 6 multiplication. In this way, you can write down the answer 999. 7 multiplied by 999993. If you have such long multiplication, here right hand side digits we should take 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 is a Purak. And the rest of the digits we should see all the digits are matching. Ekadhika of 99,999 is plus 1. Then if you see, it is 1 lakh. When you multiply 1 lakh with 99,999, the answer will be 5 nines and 5 zeros. And this is your left hand side digit, whereas your right hand side digit will be 7 multiplied by 3 is 21. This is your answer. In this way, we can apply Ekadhikena Purvena rule. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I hope no one is having any doubt.
No,
Maybe
no.
yeah. Maybe actually is a very familiar concept to everyone. I think so.
Okay, fine. So one more application of Ekadhikena Purvena, I'm going to tell you now. Till now we have studied right hand side digit should be same. If you have different digits, for example, 35 multiplied by 45. Here, sorry, 3. These are not same, right? But the difference here is 10, whereas your right hand side digits are 5 and 5. It is same. Then we should see which digit is larger in 3 and 4. We should take the Ekadhika of the larger number. Here 4 is the largest number. Ekadhika of 4 is 5. 4 multiplied by 5. And we should do the multiplication of 3 and 5. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. And here RHS will be always 75. So 35 multiplied by 45 will be 1575.
Ma'am, why the RHS will always be 75?
I'll explain you in another method again. Here, if you, I hope everyone knows the
Vertically clockwise, ma'am? Yes.
Urdu method.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm explaining you now. 3 4s are 12 here. 3 5s are 15. Plus 4 5s are 20. That is 35. And last digit 5 5s are 25. So here each part should contain only one digit. Always here, if you see the multiplication of 5 and 5, you will get the answer in units digit is 5. When you add this 5 to this 2, you will have 75 here. And this 3 will go here. 12 plus 3 will be 15. So every time when you check for 25 into 35 or 45 into 60, 55, everywhere you will have 75 only.
Okay, ma'am. Whenever the number ends with 5, like in both the sides, the answer will always be 75 by default.
If you have difference 10, and also difference 10 should be there for the both digits.
Okay, difference should be 10. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Then only you will have 75 as your answer in your right hand side.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have like 15 multiplied by 25. The problems in that worksheet, I'm writing it down here. So for this, if you observe these two, the highest digit is 2 here. For this 2, if you see the Ekadhika, it will be 3. Now 3 should be multiplied to lowest number, and you should write down the answer here, 3. And always the RHS is 75 when you have the difference of 10, and right hand side digit should be 5 units digit. Try to complete this within a minute so that try to complete this and let me know once you finish these answers. Very good response. Sure, I'll explain it again. When you have the difference of 10, so if you take 15 multiplied by 25, in multiplication, how you will do it? In 5 is 75 and 15 2s are 30. Always when you have here the addition of tens place and units place of these two lines, you will have 75 here when you have the difference of 10. And also if you take 20 multiplied by 35, here it is 125 and 70. The addition 7 and again you have 75. Like this, when you have the difference 10, always the RHS should be 75 only. Constant and it will not change. Siri ma'am, do you have any doubts?
35 into 45 kar. 35 into 45 kar.
3 5s are 15, 1575. And here 4 6s are 24, 2475. Here 5 7s are 35, 3575. 6 8s are 48, 4875. For 8, the Ekadhika is 9. 9 sevens are 63. 6375. And 8 tens are 8075. And 9 11s are 9975. In this way, we can complete the answers. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. And one more application of Vedic maths in Ekadhikena Purvena. Now we are going to see. Here, if you have non-sequential numbers, means now we have seen the difference of 10. If you have different differences, means like I'll let you know few examples. 45 multiplied by 85. Units digit here is 5. And if you have 45 multiplied by 85. Here first step will be multiplication of tens digit. What do you have here? 4 and 8. The multiplication of 4 and 8 will be 32. Now, step 2 will be average of 4 and 8. What is the average of 4 and 8? 4 plus 8 by 2. That will be 6. Now, step 3 will be addition of 32 and 6, 38. Always step 4 is multiplication of units digit. This is your left hand side number, whereas your right hand side number is 5 multiplied by 5, that is 25. Here we are having 2 digits in each part. 3825 will be your answer.
So, ma'am, even here, is there some rule like there should be a difference of 40 digits or some or any number?
Here only rule is units digit should be 5.
Yeah, ma'am. Same was with the previous also. The units digit till
But,
now what you were showing is 5.
But the difference is difference should be 10. That is compulsory in the previous type of technique. Here you can have different means there is no particular
Any difference between the two?
difference 10.
Okay, ma'am.
And
but in this technique, if one of the number is an odd digit at tens place, then the calculation differs a bit.
yeah, I'll show you that also. If you have like odd digit means, can I take 75 multiplied by 95?
No, just okay. 75 is okay. Other one should be 85. Other should be the even number at the tens place. So one odd number at tens place and one even number at tens place, because then the average will be in decimal. So that's what I'm saying.
Can I take in this way? 75 multiplied by 45?
Yes, please.
So here the first step is at multiplication of tens place. 7 4s are 28. And your second step is 7 plus 4 by 2. That is 11 by 2, 5.5, right? And your third step is 28 plus 5.5. So 33.5. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
Now, this will be your left hand side and your right hand side answer will be 25. But this 5, if you bring it to your, so 33.5 and 25. When you have 2 digits here, this is like, if you bring it here,
Result of step 3 to be multiplied by 100.
yes, exactly. So,
Correct.
so we'll have, if you take it
50 plus 25.
3,
3350. If you multiply 33.5 by 100 plus 25.
yeah, it will be 50. So 3375 will be your answer.
Correct. Yes.
Or else you can take the left hand side and multiply with 100. So that will be easy and you can input here.
That's what I did. I did 33.5 times 100, which makes 3350.
Exactly.
Can I interrupt for a minute?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. So the easy way, the other than that, what you were telling is absolutely right. But other than that, I have one more technique. For example, 75 times 45, what you can do is 7 into 4, you got 28, right? 28 plus 7 plus 4 by 2, it was 5.5, right? So
Yes.
what you can do is the left side 5, you can add for 28. That gives you 28 plus 5, that's 33. And this right 5, after the decimal 5, you can add directly to 25. So that becomes,
Yeah.
I mean, 5, that is balancing rule. Just add this 0.5 to 25, that becomes 75. So your answer is 3375.
Well,
Okay.
balancing rule says that you can carry the number from the right to the left. But here we are carrying the number
Yes,
from the left to
yes. 5 as it is, then add this 2 to, see, actually you got 33.5, right? So 33.5 slash 25. So write 5 as it is in the ones place in the balancing rule, add 2 with 5, that gives you 7. Then 33, 33.75 is your answer. See, for example, one more I'll show you, 25 times 35, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 2 plus 3 by 5.
You can apply previous technique to this when you have difference 10.
Plus,
So 875 we can write.
yeah. So when you get 5.5, you get 2.5. 6 plus 2.5 oblique 25. Okay.
Yeah.
6 plus 2 is 8 and balance is 5 with 2. So 875 is your answer.
In this way you are telling, right, ma'am? This
Yeah.
is easy.
This is easy. Instead of going with 100, multiplying with 100 and all, just this 5 you are going to add to the right side number, and the number which is before the decimal point, you can add to the left side number.
Yes, ma'am, exactly. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, it's okay. My pleasure.
Could I say something, please? Could I say something, please?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
In this case, actually 25 times of 35. Here that is equal to, we'll consider that is a base 100. 25 times of 35. So what should do? 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. And 2 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 2.2, 1 by 2, right?
2.5.
That is just considered as 2, 1 by 2.
Okay.
Again, there would be a confusion, sir.
Yeah, 2, 1 by 2. So what is the 1 by 2? Half of the, okay, well, half of the 100, half of the base, half of the 100 equal to 50, right? 50 plus 25, that equals 75.
Yeah. Yes, sir,
Yeah,
we can do it
yeah.
in that way also.
Whatever you are saying, everything is based on only base system. So
Yeah.
just now Manjula said that she's also like whatever so far Swati ji and another person said, same thing she also said. But
Yes,
she's
yes.
using Vilokanam. Just why we are adding 50 instead of adding 50, when we are balancing from the left to right side, every number when you are balancing from left side, that will be a multiple of 10s. So that is the reason when you are balancing 5 to the right side, it's become 50, not a 5. So everything whatever you are saying is same thing, but expression of a thing is different only. Okay, yeah, please continue, Sadi.
Exactly, exactly.
Problem. We have seen one odd and one even, and also 2 even. Now, if we take 2 odd numbers,
Just one question.
Yeah.
You are covering Ekadhikena Purvena. All the techniques that you've explained, are absolutely in line with the sutra, because you said it's the successor which we use to multiply a number. But
Yeah.
in this last technique, wherein we were multiplying 2 numbers ending with 5, does it also qualify under Ekadhikena Purvena? Because we could not relate it to the sutra term. Pardon my ignorance. I'm just asking because I could not relate it to that.
Absolutely correct.
Exactly. Why I'm telling this example is just to relate the previous technique. If you have 35 multiplied by 45, here we are using Ekadhikena Purvena. Using the new technique, what I have said, we have got the answer for this particular rule, and using Ekadhikena, we can write down the answer even more faster. That is one, the application of this. That I explained it even more clearly.
Yeah.
But last one,
Yeah, okay. Yeah, can I interrupt if you don't mind, anybody?
excuse us.
Yeah, actually जो स्वाति जी ने जो प्रीवियस मेथड में जो एक नया टेक्निक आपको दिया है, वो भी एकाधिकेना यूज करके हम कर सकते हैं। अपन को वेडनेसडे क्लास है, उसके ऊपर हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। मैडम को आज कंटिन्यू करने दो, देखेंगे आज नया चीज कुछ सीखेंगे। आज आप डाउट पूछो, और नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, आप पे कर सकते हैं। जैन सर आप पे कर सकते हैं एकाधिकेना।
Yeah. Thank you, Sharon. So, the second thing when we have discussed, Ekadhika of the highest number is, for 3 and 4 it is 5. And when you are multiplying the highest Ekadhika with the lowest number, we are getting 15, and always the right hand side digit is 25. But we got this technique from the previous technique which I have shown you. That is step 1. Multiplication of 3 and 4 is 12. And step 2, 3 and 4 average. That is 3.5. And third step, addition of these two, 15.5. And fourth step is multiplication of 5 and 5, that is 25. And Siri ma'am, you have asked me how we'll get 75. In this way also, we can always tell like we'll get 75 only. Always the average for when you have difference 10, always the average will be 0.5 only. When you keep this 0.5 towards your right hand side, you will always get 75.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. So to explain this, I have told that technique also. I hope your doubt has been cleared, sir.
Anything else?
That's it, Sharon.
Thank you. So let me stop everything now.